What's up guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. So today's video is in continuation of my wedding lehenga transformation. We are going to do it in 4 parts. First part is already done where we have seen how I transform my dupatta into more comfortable and wearable piece. And in today's video we are going to see how I made my corset, or you can say blouse. If you remember, we have left with small booties and big patch from my dupatta in first video. So we are going to use those small booties in my corset and we are gonna see how I did that. So let's move on to the tutorials. This is the leftover piece of my dupatta with lot of small flower embroideries and a big embroidery patch, but I will be using only flowers today. I'm going to use one of my previous patterns for corset. If you haven't seen that video yet, do check that out in the description box or in the link above. I have just joined all the separate pieces of the cups and made one pattern. Rest is the same. First I will cut the net. I'm not gonna use the lining, but if you wish you can use a lining as well. But for cups, I'm using velvet fabric and doubling it, one as lining and one as the main fabric. These strips are biased cut and will be useful for making shoulder straps, covering the edges, and especially to make the boning cases. I will be using these foam cups from one of my old sports bra. And these are the boning sticks, but if you have the round coiled one, you can use that as well. First I am preparing the cups. I will stitch the cups from the wrong side, leaving a little gap in order to turn it inside out, and creating a space to put the cup inside and stitch the opening space later. Once the pads are set, I will secure the cups from bottom. Stitching the margin area, don't worry much about the finishing because we will be covering all of this later. Now when the cups are ready, stitch all the patterns of the bustier together, front and the back. Don't forget, I have not cut the opening anywhere, so I will cut the back later and add rivets there for fastening. Preparing the case for boning. You just have to create a string little wider than the size of the bone you are using. We will add bones at all the joints as well as wherever required, like under the bust or side of the cups. Like this, add the case and bones at all the joints. Now I am attaching front and the back together and will add bone on the sides as well. I've already prepared the shoulder straps in the same way as we created cases, but thinner than that. Also, I will be using rivets at the back for closing, which we will see later. Right now, let's add cup to the remaining bodice. I will stitch the bodice from the top as it will be covered by a case and a cup wire. Now cutting the extra margin. The benefit of making biased casing is that you can mold them in any shape with the help of press. Like for this, I shaped the straight strip semi-round in order to make case for wire. Attaching the case at the joints of the cups and bodice in same way we did for the bones. I have cut the back from the center and adding a hard pasting infused broad placket on both the sides so that I can add rivets on it. Adding more bones wherever I feel I need them. Time to finish top and the bottom edges with a bias strip again. They are so useful. We'll add the shoulder straps as well. Rivets come in two parts, bottom and top. You need to make a hole in the placket first, put the bottom part and then cover it with another. And to secure it, you need to have this piler which you can get from Amazon easily. You can check the link in the description box as well. When everything is done, I will cover the cups with all the embroidered flowers I have in my dupatta. I almost used all the big flowers from the dupatta. I did try this bustier without flowers as well and it looked prettier, but my skirt was also plain so it would not complement. Also, I wanted to give a peekaboo look of my bustier when I wear it with the jacket on top of it. So I went ahead and add all the flowers. I hand stitch each one of them on top of each other. Some finishings are only possible by hand stitches. Sometimes machine stitches ruin the complete look and take away the authenticity of the outfit. It doesn't look rich with machine stitching and that's why haute couture is way too expensive and precious. Here you can see the complete look. We'll see you in the next part. For watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram if you want, and if you happen to transform your wedding lehenga, do share your pictures or tag me on your Instagram post. I will love it. Till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara, and do remember that what